This software will pay you to do nothing, and it's accessible for both iOS and Android. So in general, it works like this. You install it, then prepare to sleep, or do whatever you like. I'd personally just lay in bed and check my phone every now and then to collect my profits. Even though this app is fantastic, if you stick with me to the conclusion of the video, you'll get a bonus app that will pay you to do nothing as well. As a result, your earnings will be doubled. Always bear in mind that these apps are just meant to supplement your income and should not be used in place of a full-time job. Okay? So before I show you my favorite app that will pay you to do nothing, I'd like to show you the first app and how it will truly pay you. So as you can see, you can get cash via PayPal or bank transfer. This means you'll be getting real money, not points or coins. And you can spend it on whatever you like. You have the option of using PayPal or a bank transfer. And I'm sure a lot of you enjoy using PayPal. But don't worry if PayPal isn't available in your country or you don't want to use PayPal. They also have other payment methods. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Before we get to the website, you must first create and maintain your own PayPal account. So go to paypal.com and create a completely free account by clicking this button. Simply fill out the required information and connect it to your personal PayPal account. If you don't want to use that option or do that, you can open your own bank account online by searching online bank account in my country on Google and create a completely free account on that internet banking site. You should definitely watch the film through the end and pay close attention to every second to avoid getting confused. So, if you truly want to set things up properly and make them work, you must carefully follow and watch every step of this tutorial. Now, let's return to the first app. I also want to share this with you since, unlike other apps, this one does not require hundreds or thousands of dollars to cash out. With this one, you'll only need $2 to $5, depending on how to make money and what kind of incentives you choose, but it'll only take you $2 to $5. You can cash out and spend that money on whatever you choose after you have that amount in your account. Of course, you can keep it there and wait till you have something like $50, $100, $200, or $500 to cash out. The first application that we will be using in this manner is MooCash. You can go over getmoocash.com. Now, the way these apps operate is that you download them for free, and then they will display advertisements on your screen that you may swipe away. So all you have to do is swipe on your phone, which you probably already do on a daily basis. And now, you may earn up to $5 each day with just one device. You can probably make a lot more money if you have numerous devices. But even $150 a month for virtually doing nothing is fantastic. However, it is not as good as the second app that I'm about to show you. Because the second app, you don't even have to swipe to get paid. So stay tuned for that. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now that you'll be compensated for simply unlocking and swiping your phone, I merely wanted to show you that it's something you already do on a daily basis. According to a study, smartphone users in the United States unlock their devices 79 times per day on average. So that's something we already do every day. We unlock our phones to check our messages, emails, and notifications, and we do it on a regular basis. But now, you'll get compensated for doing so, which is why I stated you're practically being paid to do nothing. This app is available on Google Play as well as the App Store. So it's compatible with both Android and iOS, which is fantastic. This is their official website. However, to download the app and start earning money, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Depending on what device you have used, simply search for MooCash, locate this logo, and install it. Sign up for free and start earning up to $5 each day. Now, here's the second app I wanted to share with you, which may even be better in terms of what you can see or earn. And you may earn money by doing nothing with your phone. Once you install this program, you'll actually be paid to do nothing, and you'll be able to do it over and over again and earn money passively. Yes, they have PayPal, so you may collect your earnings using PayPal. It's completely safe, and they assure you that your personal information and settings will not be used in any manner. I also conducted some research on the app and found that it is completely safe and that users are very delighted. You don't need to perform tasks. You don't need to watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive mode. You will be paid regardless of what you do. And the more devices you have, the more money you will be able to make. Because this software will not pay you hundreds or thousands of dollars. Instead, it will only pay you a few dollars. However, if you have many devices or simply wait, it will quickly accumulate and wait for further funds to come in. They have the highest payments, as you can see, because they combine all of the top reward programs into one spot so that you can collect the greatest money. This software is completely free. This is an example of how the program will appear once you install it, and it will show you how much money you have actually collected with it. You will make money from your Android phone. They will pay you for every minute you spend doing nothing. Unfortunately, this app is only available for Android smartphones. Therefore, it will not work on your iPhones or iPads. So if you have an iPhone, you can only utilize the previous software that we demonstrated in this video. Simply search for a cash magnet in the Google Play Store. This is what the logo will look like. You may sign up for free with your Google account or by providing your email address and generating a password once you've installed it. After that, you can set it up to get paid on a semi-automated basis and earn some free passive income from your smartphone. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.